Hey, Papa, when I found this Papa,
Ikaw ang ina ni Alex at Victor. Kausapin mo sila.
where did you find it?
Kailangan nila magkompromiso,
Over there,
magkausap,
by the
magkaayos, magkapatawaran.
base.
Doon lang matatapos lahat ng buong ito.
It's not a girl. It's a ukulele. Ukulele. Oh, this was my mother's. I've been looking for this everywhere for this. I thought I had lost it. But it's been with me all along.
Hinahanap ko na rin kung saan mo siya pwede magtago. Pero bukod sa tao sa gym, wala naman ang ibang malalapitan yun. Tayo lang pamilya ni Victor, kuya.
Hindi sila makakalayo na
That
kayo.
was so sad.